we're gonna get started right now with our 60 crunches. Get yourself down into your crunch position. I'm going to explain the form. If you want to start with your 60, go right ahead. So your arms are and elbows are out wide. You want to pick that spot up on the ceiling that you're going to raise your chin up to. You want to try and keep your spine as neutral as possible, pushing that lower back into the ground. Breathing while we do this. Let's go. Feel that burn. And 1, 2, 3. Elbows are wide. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chin up to the ceiling. 11, 12, 13. Use those abs. 14, 15. Come on. 16, 17. Don't pull in the neck. 18, 19. Elbows are wide. 20, 21. Keep breathing. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We're halfway. 30, 31. We can do, come on, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 20 left. Come on, 41, 42, 43. Watch your form. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 10 to go. 51, 52, keep breathing. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and 61 for good measure. Oh, yeah. Stretch that out, feel that burn. Oh, did a whole lot of good today for those abs. Great job, and guess what? We will see you tomorrow for another 60. See you then.